Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Imad Gohar. I work as a capital projects auditor in public sector, where my main scope is to conduct financial compliance and performance audits of infrastructure projects. I also have external audit experience with KPMG. It's my pleasure to give this recommendation for Mr. Ayad and Open Thinking Academy regarding the virtual CFE course. I completed my ACCA in 2012 and CMA in 2015. Since then, I was trying to upgrade myself and was looking for the CFE course. As far as I remember, before this pandemic, Yad was only taking live classes, which were over 4 days. Last month, I saw some of my LinkedIn connections announcing their CFE success, and I got to know that Yad is now offering the CFE course online over 4 weeks. Then I immediately approached him and got myself registered. I must say that the way Ayad organized the delivery of this course is beyond my expectations, and he is always there to support you, whether it's a technical related issue or an academic one. We covered the CFE course over 4 weeks, which made it easy for us as we had enough time to go through all the concepts with MCQs practice in the CFE prep course. To those planning to do CFE, I would highly recommend that you join this online 4 weeks program, as you won't only save money as compared to the live classes, but also you will have enough time to prepare and give your exams. To those who are planning to do self study, I would recommend that take the instructor led course, as you need not only the knowledge but also practical examples and also a sense of connection, which is only possible when you study in a group. Also, you get to know so many people and can make connections. You can save around 5 months' time because self study will cost you around 6 months, and the course with instructor is for 1 month, including the exams. I would also like to share my experience as to how I passed all the 4 exams in the first attempt over 4 weeks. So, we used to have 3 to 4 classes per week per section. Once the classes are over, I used to revise the content covered in the classes and attempt all the MCQs in the CFE prep course, and then take the practice test maximum by Friday night. So I can be ready for the exam on Saturday morning. You need to have some good sleep before exam and try to give it as early as possible in the morning, preferably before 12 pm, so your mind is fresh and you can focus during the exam. You also have 5 minutes break during the exam. Remember, you have a timer on the screen which is 75 seconds per MCQ, so it creates mental pressure and you may do silly mistakes. I would say it's not only about knowledge. Your exam technique and previous knowledge, skills, and experience will also play a major role in your CFE success. I would highly recommend the online CFE course with Ayad and Open Thinking, and look forward to take further courses with them as well. Thank you and wish you all the best.